Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am gonna unbox my finally Boxycharm Luxe. This is still not my August Luxe or Premium, which I would have loved it, but I have not received any info yet. I will keep you guys updated, and I want to thank you guys so much for all your love and your positivity on my last video. And my baby is napping right now. He is with Grandma. Grandma's here today since she does work. Sorry if my video is kind of like really horrible quality. Where I'm at here in California, there's fires going on. So like the whole sky is completely orange. And I tried to find a spot to like sit down and get the perfect, what's it called, lighting, but it's impossible. I do have my ring lights, I do have my room light on, I have my window open. It's still not working. It's completely orange outside. Yesterday it was literally raining ashes. It was scary. So anyway, we're gonna get into this box right now. If I can open it. I don't even have any scissors or anything, so I'm really excited. So here is my Luxe, and again the Boxycharm Glam Vibes only, and I got variation 77. That is wow. Okay, so I'm just gonna like randomly pull out. Oh, this is pretty heavy. I'm not gonna look. I know my baby last time helped me and I wish he was here, but he took a nap and I'm gonna let him nap. So this is, guess what, you'll be naked in 1 minute, huh? Original coffee scrub, exfoliator, for smooth glowing skin. So this is what I got, and this is, what is this? Oh, Frank Body Original Coffee Scrub. This, meet my original coffee scrub, the one that made me famous. I'm natural, vegan, and ready to work my magic on breakouts. I need that. So this retails for $16.95, and it's pretty heavy. I mean, I don't know if I'm gonna use it because I haven't been breaking out and I don't have much pores, but I can probably use it, or probably help me a little. So this is what the first item. I'm gonna go into the second item. Fenty. It was Luxe because I wasn't sure if we were gonna get Fenty in Luxe or Premium, but it's Luxe. So this is the Fenty Kilowatt Foil Freestyle Highlighter, and this is in the shade 7-day weekend and poolside. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me go ahead and open it. I love Fenty. I am a huge fan of Rihanna. I have her foundation, I have her lippies, I have her other Kilowatt highlighter we got in Premium. Basically, oh my god, I love Fenty. Ooh, this is really pretty. So let's go ahead and open it. Except my baby broke my other highlighter, which I'm not really upset because I put it back. Pressed it down with alcohol. How come I can never open these? Okay. Oh my god, that thing just flew out. Forget about it. This is beautiful. Look at that. I'm gonna do really quick swatches. So this one right here, I'm gonna swatch first, is 7-day weekend. Ooh, that's what it looks like right there. And the other one is poolside, which is this purplish one. And oh my gosh, it's this one right here. So this one's 7-day weekend and this one's poolside. Oh my god, I can probably use that for my inner corner. My inner corner, sorry. So here they are again. Oh my god, I love it. Rihanna, I love Rihanna. I love her. I would marry her, but I'm not a guy. I'm just kidding. Yes, I love Rihanna. And my husband, he thinks I'm weird, but I love her. So this one retails for $36. Wow. And again, I will always have my box information somewhere on the side. Here, I will have my weight and my dimensions also listed, like in every video. Okay, I feel a bag of trash bags. I'm just kidding. Oh, this is the Complex Authority. I'm guessing these are the brushes. So this one is, let me try to open it. I don't even, the Complex Authority Signature Travel Essential 12-piece cruelty-free brush set. Sorry. So it comes in this little thing, and this is really handy actually. These are the brushes. Oh, they're so pretty. I like them. I do need a new eyebrow pencil, or a new eyebrow brush. So this is what they look like, and these retail for $49. So basically, I pay $49 to get Luxe, and this is what I've gotten. I would have gotten if it would have just me spending $50. This is all I could afford with those $50, which is a really nice, you know, a really nice box. The next, I see a box. Try not to sneak or peek. Kate Somerville Skin Health Experts, all skin types. Okay, so this is an extensive exfoliating treatment. This is what that is. I don't remember what I chose for this, so let me know down in the comments what you guys chose, because I don't remember. This one retails for $85. Just for this, $85. Wow, Kate, you're expensive. And it says clinically formulated to visibly transfer textures and pores in 2 minutes. This tube, this is 60 ml, 2 fluid ounces, $85. $85. I can buy diapers and wipes with $85, have money left over, and go buy McDonald's. Yes, that's me. I'm a mom. That's what I would do. I would not spend $85 in this. I mean, if it's gonna make me look so beautiful and, you know, no filter needed, then yeah, it's gonna be worth it. But oh my god, $85. I'm sorry, that's a lot of money for me, especially because I'm a mommy of 5. But hey, I got it in my Boxycharm. $85 are in my pocket right now. This is what that is. And oh man, I was gonna be like, what is it? But it has a safety seal, so I'm gonna have to try that out. Hopefully it doesn't, you know, break me out, which it says it shouldn't. So the next thing I feel is another tube, which is open. Okay, what the this is literally big. 8 fluid ounces, 237 milliliters. It was kind of like, it was like this. So when I got it, I went like this. Hope it comes with a safety seal. Yeah, okay. So this is Keratherapy Deep Conditioning Masque. Mascarilla hidratante intensiva. I don't know what this is for. So this is deep conditioning. So this intensive, nourishing, and hydrating treatment revives hair that has been drained or damaged by environmental or styling stresses. It knows me. My hair has split ends all over, and I don't want to trim it because it takes forever to grow. So this is what that is. And this one retails for $24. So this is $24 and it's huge, and this one's $85 and it's tiny. Makes no sense to me. Anyway, so this is what that is, and it's pretty heavy, and I like the way, like the fact that it's actually all the way full. like all the way up here, because I don't know if you guys receive big stuff like that, but they're like this much. This one's actually pretty full. I don't know what I'm doing, but yeah, it's pretty full. I like it. Okay, new stuff on my hair, and I feel bubble wrap. Ooh, okay. This is what it is. This is the Hip Dot Cyan eyeshadow palette. Oh, I was like, where's the eyeshadow palette? And I have it right here. Oh my Lanta. I love these shades. I love shades like this. This palette is beautiful. So this is conjuring the majesty beauty of the natural sweeping Utah canyons. Take your look to the next level with dramatic reads, deep oranges, and the rich purples of Zion. This retails for $30, and the fact that it's cruelty free, vegan, talc free, paraben free, I hope I said that, and mineral oil free. I like it. I am loving it. I love it. And I can't believe we got another palette. We got a palette in premium, and now we got a palette in here. I don't know what the Luxe spoilers were, so that's why I'm kind of surprised. I thought we were going to get the same palette. I guess not, but I like it. So I don't know if I said it, but this one retails for $30. If I didn't say it, I'll just put it somewhere in the sides. I think this is the last. Oh, no, there's something down here. I'm trying to see if this is the last product. So no. So this is the Persona lip gloss. Vegan, gluten free. So that's what that is. And this one is, let's see, Persona Cosmetics Season 1 Lip Gloss. Remember the first time you wore a lip gloss? Probably when I was 15. Can't remember. To that. Okay, so this one is $16. Ooh, look at that. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'll go ahead and swatch it. But this is in the shade Honey Gloss. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it says honey glass right there. Gloss, not glass. Go ahead and swatch it. Ooh, that is beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. Look, that is so beautiful. Can you guys give me a minute, please? Thank you.
But can we get a bully?
No yet, not yet.
I like it. With his meeting?
Yes. I love it. Sorry, that was one of my child's. But yes, that is so beautiful right there. Let me try to see if I can get up closer. It's that right there. And if you hear noise in the background, it's my kids. Like I said, I live next to the ambulance, like across the street from the ambulance. And it's crazy with all these fires. I'm just hoping and praying to God that they can finish fast. You know, I'm always praying for those firefighters. And oh my God, this is heavy. 111 Harley. Okay, rose gold brightening facial mask treatment. This is huge. This is 5 times 30 ml. Okay. This is the 111 Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask 5-pack. Sorry, I cannot talk. Anyway, so this retails for... I am seriously so happy that I stayed with Boxycharm, even though I am having issues with my premium for the month of August. This retails for $135. $135. I'm not gonna lie. It says right there. $135. 111 skin. I mean, is this gonna make me look beautiful? Because I want to try it on tonight. I want to look beautiful. Oh my God, $135. What? Oh my. gosh, it says recommended use for optimus results, use 3 times a week. I'm trying to see if I can get one out. Oh my god. I feel so spoiled. Okay, so yeah, it's just these. I got the 5-pack for $135. I'm sorry, guys, but this makes me so happy. I got $100, and I thought this was the most expensive product in the box. This is $135. Wow. So I will leave the retail value of my whole box at the end of the video, like I always do. I have to say the 111 just took my breath away, because when I saw it, I saw the price, I was like, what? No, I'm gonna have to search that up. I'm just kidding. No, but I thought this was expensive. Oh my god, I am so sorry. So that is all the products in my box. I will leave my whole value of my whole box somewhere here or here. This is, again, variation 77. Let me know down in the comments if we got the same box. If you haven't received it, what are you excited to receive? And let me know what was choice. I don't remember honestly what was choice. I'm pretty sure it was this. I can't remember. I was available. But let me know. Okay? I'm pretty sure this was, I don't know, but I'm pretty sure this was choice. I can't remember. But let me know if you guys received your box, what was your favorite item, or if you haven't received any, if you haven't received your box, what would you like to receive? Okay, so that is it for my video today, guys. Keep you guys posted on my premium for next month, hoping and praying I do get it. And like I said, please pray for California. We are in tremendous fires. I know Oregon and Washington's are too. I'm hoping you guys are fine as well, and I'm just praying for those firefighters. I know this has nothing to do with Boxycharm, but I just wanted to get it out there. And yes, so please let me know what was your favorite product, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. That will really help out my channel. And I'm hoping next video my little baby will be here, because I know a lot of you guys loved him. He was just so happy to be in my video. When I was editing, he was just like, oh, you know, he was copying what he did, and I was like, you know, that's you, right? But anyway, let me know down in the comments below if you guys got the box. If you haven't, what would you like to receive? I honestly loved my Luxe. I'm not gonna complain. I'm not gonna even think about what happened last month that I didn't receive my premium. But yes, I still either want my money back or just send it, but please don't send stuff that I already received in the past. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, so yes, guys, that will be it for my video, and I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you guys so much for all your love and all your support. I love you guys so much, and hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Bye.